Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday, time for your phonics lesson. We're going to start with rhyming, so remember, you're going to watch me first, and then you're going to repeat. Here we go. Go, so. Bite, right. Fish, wish. Finger, linger. Little, skittle. Nice job. We're going to do our onset fluency next. I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to say the first sound in that word. My turn, then you repeat. One, w. Did, d. Pet, p. Catch, k. Jam, j. Excellent. All right, next one, you're going to need your choppers out because we are going to be blending words. I'm going to give you two pieces of a word first, and you're going to repeat after me and then put the word together. So watch me, then it's your turn. S-O, so. B-ite, bite. L-ip, lip. Ite, right. Ought, caught. Great. Our next one is our punch it out. We're going to be doing our final sounds. All right, so I'm going to say a word and then punch out that final sound at the end. Watch me first, then you repeat. Bit, t. Good, d. Because, z. Thumb, seven, Great job. All right, we need our choppers again because this time we're going to say the whole word first, then we're going to chop it into phonemes. All right, here we go. Pen, p-n. Rod, odd. Lake, ache. Run, un. Pole, p-ole. Excellent. We're going to be adding phonemes now, so you're going to need to use your hands for this one, and we're going to be adding pieces of words. All right, so you're going to start with ick. Add s. Sick. Ick. Add t. Tick. Ick. Add w. Wick. Ick. Add ul. Lick. Ick. Add cl. Click. Very good. All right. Next one. We are going to be deleting sounds. So you're going to hold a word in your hands, then we're going to take a part of that word away. All right. Remember, repeat after me. Duck. Without duh, what's left is uck. That's right. Luck. Without ul, what's left is uck. Tuck. Without t, what's left is uck. Puck. Without p, what's left is uck. Very good. All right, we're going to continue with our rhyme today. We're up to 6 lines, so I'll do 2, you repeat. I'll do 2 more, you repeat. I'll do 2 more, and you repeat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because he bit my finger so. Nice job. Great job, boys and girls. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.